Hi, this video will show you how you can optimize the delivery of your emails, especially those that have links, etc. For example, this email, this template, we are in Credit Money Machine Pro Plus at this moment. Um, as you can see, has several links, has several personalizations, not only the date obviously and the name of the person, but also has several links that will make it very difficult. It will be filtered by many um, email services like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. For one reason or another, they don't like too many links. Sometimes even with one will be sufficient to be filtered and discarded. Sometimes it goes to the spam, sometimes it simply doesn't. So we found a solution for that, and that is to convert any part that you want into a PDF with the correct um, merging of the fields, but at the same time um, it's gonna be very easy to use. And we're gonna see an example here. Okay, so we put the part that we want, between um, these tags here, and we have a button here to do that pretty much uh, with one click. Okay, and this particular case, we're going to just do one, but you can do many at the same time. So it is fantastic because it's gonna merge the data correctly. It's gonna create different. So in this case, it's gonna be just one. So we're gonna do it with the instant. And so in this case, the program requested the printer, but when it does it for many, it's not gonna do it. So the important thing here is that if I open this, I mean, I can send it obviously, and what's gonna happen is that this is an attachment, and this is a very simple email that is not going to cause any troubles with anyone. So it's going to be accepted pretty much because it doesn't have any links or anything, so it's very innocent. And so we're going to open this just to see what happened. And as you can see, we have here a very nice PDF that has all the links that we can want to have, and pretty much it's going to be very easy for someone to read the email, actually easier to be honest than a regular email, and you can have all the information that you want in this PDF, no restrictions, etc. So this is included in the new versions of our Pro Plus or Credit Money Machine Cloud. Thanks.